How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on Australian dollar versus US dollar AU. As we can see here on Monday trades up and away. So that Friday candle, we had a down candle. Monday trades up and away, and it's larger than Friday's range too. So you went from a small range to a larger range, small to large. You can also see how price pulls back down inside this busy buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. You mentioned that in the previous episode. We want to see the higher swing low more than likely form inside this PD array and trade higher. You can see the steps here for the bullish trend formula. Step one, swing high broken. This was the immediate first swing high we got broken going into the month. After that, we said wait for a higher swing low, and we got that. We just got that confirmation here. You can see that Tuesday candle just opened not too long ago, about an hour ago, hour and change ago. And this is the higher swing low here. So we can write that out. We can write higher swing low. So now we're expecting price to continue going higher. If this is the bullish trend and we're following the sequence and the structures to the upside, we should see this higher swing low be protected. They will more than likely not want to raid this low and want to push higher. You want to see price get to previous swing highs that it's creating. So this swing high that it just created recently in this leg that it's going up in, you want to see it get rated out for sure. Like that's a no-brainer. After that, we want to see this swing high, and possibly even the 20-day look back if the high too. And we want to see if price is going to keep going up. So at this point, step 3 would be hunt for longs in discount environments. So that's what we would be looking for. Looking for price to trade up and trade to higher price action. So we're going to look for those longs in a discount environment. So when price is below, let's say the New York opening price on a Wednesday, a Thursday, let's say price is below the weekly opening price, we're going to look to buy in cheap opportunities. All those things we talk about when to find high quality buy opportunities, it's going to be below a kill zone's opening price, below midnight opening price, below the weekly opening price. It's also going to occur when price takes out counterparty liquidity pools. So if it takes out sell side at any point, any sell side liquidity pool that you have, clean lows, it's going to run that and then look to go long. So going into Tuesday, we would look for longs below the London Open, below the Asian Open, below the New York Open, looking for price to target previous daily highs and short-term liquidity pools that it's forming and engineering to go higher. If you take a look at the DXY, let's go up to the DXY. You can see the inverse is happening. You got that lower swing low here. The swing low is lower. We'll just put LSH, and then we'll put this here as HSH. So this is the higher swing high, and that's the lower swing high. And you can also see it's forming inside of what? That PD array that we have. This is that SIBI to the downside. We'll make this red. Lower swing high forms within this frame. Up close candle, small range body. We're not talking about the wick when I talk about the large range to small range cycle. We're only referring to the candle's size, the body of the candle. So it went from a small range, it was small here, still technically small, and then finally pushing back to be larger than these two small candles, these small ranges, kicking into large range. So I want to see now price target this swing low. I don't want to see price return back up to this lower swing high. So any opportunity to go short, I would take on DXY. Now the same can probably be said for like UCAD, USWISSY, and UJ potentially, but I would look to go short if I had to trade the dollar. I'm gonna look for price to target sell side liquidity. There's one all the way down here. You also got a down close candle, order block theory. So trading back down into a PD array. We traded into this candle already, right? We reclaimed this. We're gonna look to reclaim this and then probably reclaim this as well on the way back down. But it's gonna be in a formation of lower swing high, lower swing lows. You might get a raid, right? We might get a raid lower for EU, AU, GU, all those too. Might have fake moves to the downside, and then it's going to continue rallying up. DXY, UCAD, USWISSY, UJ may have a fake move to the upside, breaks a short-term swing high, and then continues going short. Those are things we know to anticipate and expect in the market. But thus far, market is following code. NJ still trading up higher. Gotta clear the chart. NJ still going to target everything, all the swing highs that we expected it to take out. And price created what? A higher swing low. Look at that formation again. Look, swing high broken. What happened shortly after? Higher swing low. You should be looking for longs now. You're a lot more confident in the marketplace at this point. What are you going to target? Just look at the left side of the chart. If you're not, familiar with reading swing highs that are just forming, because this is one here, it's going to target that sooner or later. But look at the older ones. This swing high, that's a projection. Same way this swing high here was a projection at said point for those longs I showed for NJ. You want to see price go higher. But you're noticing, you're viewing, all the pairs are doing the same thing. Look at EU, trading higher, created a fair value gap, higher swing low. Look at it right there, higher than that one. Let's look at GU, same thing. Do we get a higher swing low near term? That's the last thing I wrote. We got it. 1, 2, 3. You want to see price continue trading higher now for GU. And U, same thing. Notice all the PD arrays are very similar. All these currency pairs are directly correlated. They all move together. So just to recap, we want to see AU push higher. If we still get any down days too, right? We want to buy after down days. So that's a tip. Bullish trend, buy after down days. Now you could get fancy with this too. You could, blend other ideas. Like maybe you want the down day to form on Monday, so that Tuesday, Wednesday you look to buy, or maybe a down Tuesday candle, so you could buy going into Wednesday. Maybe a down Wednesday candle, so you could buy going into Thursday, going into ideal trading days. So we want to see price go higher. So far, speculation is holding true. Let's see if we can find some longs the rest of the week. See if we get up here. Peace.